Good morning, students. We are going to start the chapter 1 from organic chemistry, and the name of the chapter is haloalkane and haloarine. First of all, I want to give you the introduction of haloalkane and haloarine. Halo stands for halogen, which comes in the group of 17 in modern periodic table group. In modern periodic table, it stands for X, where X can be fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. And these alkene and arine are stands for alkane and arine stands for hydrocarbon chain. Hydrocarbon chain may be a straight chain and it can be also an aromatic chain. First of all, let me introduce about hydrocarbon chain. Hydrocarbon chain are of two types. First one is aliphatic and second one is aromatic. Aliphatic is classified into two parts. First one is saturated and second one is unsaturated. You have already read about saturated and unsaturated in class 10. Saturated is carbon-carbon single bond. Saturated compound is that compound in which there will be a carbon-carbon single bond and its generalized formula is CnH2n plus 2. For example, take n equal to 1, 2, 3. Suppose you take n equal to 1, then 1, 2 plus 2 equal to CH4. In unsaturated, it might be double bond and triple bond. Double bond, carbon-carbon double bond will be there. And in triple bond, double bonds generalized formula is CnH2n and triple bond generalized formula is CnH2n minus 2. Now in aromatic, according to Huckel's rule, the generalized formula according to Huckel's rule is 4n plus 2 and n can be 0, 1, 2, 3 and all those things. Aromatic can be found by putting n equal to 0. It means pi electron. Number of pi electrons will be 2. Number of pi electrons will be 2, 6, 14 and all those things. 2, 4, 8 plus 10. 2, 6, 4 and 10. These are the aromatic hydrocarbon chain. And aliphatic will be classified into two parts, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated will be carbon-carbon single bond and unsaturated will be carbon-carbon double bond or it may be carbon-carbon triple bond. Just note it down and I will erase it. Okay. Classification of haloalkane and haloarine. First, on the basis of halogen attached. On the basis of halogen attached, haloalkane and haloarine are classified. First one is monohaloalkane. Monohaloalkane. That means in alkane group, mono means one, or you can say single, a halo means halogen. That means haloalkane will be formed by one halogen atom attached. For example, CH3Cl. Here one atom of halogen is attached, so it is called monohaloalkane. Take another example. For example, CH3, CH2 and Cl. Here one halogen atom are attached with the carbon atom, that is called monohaloalkane. That means monohaloalkane will be formed. It is also called alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is used as a common name. Alkyl halide is also used as a common name while writing. Monohaloalkane is also named as alkyl halide and it is used as a common name. Mono means single, halo means halogen, yani single halogen atom are attached in any alkyl group. When single halogen atom are attached, that is called monohaloalkane. For example, CH3Cl. You may write also like this. Suppose there is CH4, this is alkane group, minus H. That means you have to remove one hydrogen atom and add any X. Will be CH3X. X may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Clear? Second one, monohaloarine. That means there will be an aromatic compound and one hydrogen will be removed and one halogen will be added like this. Here one hydrogen is removed and is added by a chlorine or bromine, iodine, anything in any aromatic compounds, that is called monohaloarine. Second point, dihaloalkane. By the name you can understand. Di means two, halo means halogen, and two halogen atom will be attached. So it may be like this, CH2, Cl, Cl. And it might be like this also, CH2, CH2, Cl, Cl. Two halogen atom can be attached with the same carbon, and here two halogen atoms are attached with a neighboring carbon atom. देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर सिंगल कार्बन को अगर दो हैलोजन अटैच्ड हो तो इट इज कॉल्ड जेमिनल। और अगर अगल बगल वाले कार्बन पर अगर कोई भी हैलोजन ग्रुप जुड़ा हो तो उसे हम कहते हैं विसिनल। और यू कैन से जेमिनल हैलाइड या जेम हैलाइड और विसिनल हैलाइड। Dihaloalkane means two halogen atom will be attached on the same carbon and it can be also on the neighboring carbon. If two halogen atoms are attached on the same carbon atom, it is known as geminal halide. And if both the carbons are attached with the halogen group, then it is known as vicinal halide. or you may write VIC or dot halide you may write. Now dihaloarine. Haloarine. Dihaloarine, that means there will be an aromatic compound and there will be two atoms of hydrogen will be removed and two halogen atoms are attached. For example, here two atoms of hydrogen are removed, one here and one here, and two chlorines are added. It can be termed as a dihaloarine. Note it down, then I will erase it. Third one is trihaloalkane. Trihaloalkane. That means tri means three, halo means halogen. That means three halogens will be attached. Three halogens atoms will be attached in this form, like this. CHI3 CH Br3 CH Cl3, in which 3 iodine are attached, 3 bromine are attached and 3 chlorine are attached. You may write also like this: C H I and I. Here 3 iodine are attached with single carbon atom, that is called trihaloalkane, or it is also known as halophore. Halophore. That means it can be named as iodoform, bromoform and chloroform. Similarly, in trihaloarine, 3 hydrogen will be removed and in place of 3 hydrogen atom there will be 3 halogen group will be attached, like this: chlorine, there will be an aromatic compound in which 3 hydrogen atoms are removed and in place of that 3 hydrogen atoms 3 chlorine atoms are attached. It is known as trihaloarine. Note it down. Monohalo compounds can be classified on the basis of hybridization. Hybridization may be classified as sp2 hybridization and sp3 hybridization. Let me introduce about sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization has been classified into 3 parts. First one is alkyl halide. Second one is allyl halide. And third one is benzylic halide. Alkyl halide, its formula will be Rx. R can be any alkyl group like CH3Cl. It is an alkyl halide. CH3 is termed as methyl and Cl as a halide group, that is chloride, methyl chloride. sp3 hybridization means the halogen atoms which are attached with the carbon atoms, that carbon atoms must follow sp3 hybridization. That means Cl and there are 3 hydrogen attached. That means carbon are attached with 1, 2, 3 and 4, and number of atoms, if carbon atoms are attached with number of 4 atoms, then it is called sp3 hybridization. Here you can see Rx, any alkyl group will be there, and other halogen atom will be attached. It is called as alkyl halide. sp3 hybridization means the halogen atoms which are attached with that carbon atoms must follow sp3 hybridization. Take another example, CH3, CH2, Cl. Here, halogen atoms are attached with that carbon C. That means you may write like this also, HH. That means 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means that carbon atoms are attached with 4 carbon atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms or any other atoms. It is termed as sp3 hybridization. Now allyl halide. Here carbon CH2 double bond CH C and it will be attached with any halogen atoms. That means कार्बन कार्बन का डबल बॉन्ड होगा, उसके बाद वाले कार्बन sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन को फॉलो करेंगे. sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन फॉर एग्जांपल CH2. That means allyl halide will be that halide when there will be carbon carbon double bond and onto the next carbon it will follow sp3 hybridization. allyl halide उसको कहते हैं जिसमें कार्बन कार्बन के डबल बॉन्ड होंगे और इसके बगल वाले कार्बन जो कि हैलोजन से जुड़े रहेंगे वो sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन को फॉलो करते हैं. दैट मीन्स कार्बन कार्बन के डबल बॉन्ड होंगे और उसके बगल वाले कार्बन जो किसी हैलोजन से जुड़े हों वो sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन को फॉलो करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड allyl halide. Benzylic halide. Benzylic halide, that means there will be any aromatic compound, benzene, and this benzene should be attached with any carbon atom, and this carbon atom will be attached with any halogen group, that is called benzylic halide. Benzylic halide का मतलब हुआ कि कोई भी बेंजीन का रिंग होगा जो कि किसी कार्बन के साथ जुड़ा होगा और वह कार्बन किसी हैलोजन के साथ जुड़ा हो तो उसे हम बेंजाइलिक हैलाइड कहते हैं.